To hide about you on WhatsApp. Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I'm already on my WhatsApp app, so make sure that you are here too. So from this page you have to click on those three dots from the right top corner, then click to settings, and then from here you have to go to the first option, which is account. And here you have to go to the first option once again, which is privacy. And then here at who can see my personal info, you have last seen, profile photo, about, and status. So you have to go to the third option, which is about, and you can set this to my contacts only, or you can set this to nobody. So this is how you do it. And if you want to check someone's about section, you just have to go to the conversation, click on the friend's name, and then you have to scroll down, and at the bottom you'll see about and phone number. And here it says busy but in my language. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to comment down below if you have some questions. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.